Hello everyone, my name is Karenina Paniagua and my student identification number is 2341250. In this learning video, I will expand the topic Introduction to Law and Business Law. This topic is very important, especially for you as accounting student. Why is that? Because accounting is not only about number and financial statement, but also about rules, regulation, and legal responsibility. Every business transaction, every financial report, and every economic decision is closely related to law. Therefore, understanding basic legal concepts and business law will help you become more professional, responsible, and ethical in our future career. And definition of law. In general, law can be defined as a set of rules that regulate human behavior in society, created by authorities, institutions, and enforced taxation. According to legal scholar Prof. Utrecht, law is a collection of rules that regulate social life and whose implementation can be enforced by authority. This definition shows that law is not mere written rules on paper, but a system that active work to maintain order and justice. Without law, society will be faced cause, conflict, and unfair treatment. Law exists to provide boundaries, protect rights, and regulate obligations among individuals and institutions. B. Element and characteristics of law. Law has several important elements. First, law consists of rules of norm, which can be written such as statute and regulation, or unwritten such as customary and traditional. Second, law is binding and coercive, meaning everyone must be obeyed without exception. Ignorance of the law cannot be used as an excuse. Third, law includes sanction. Anyone who violates the law will face consequences, such as fine, imprisonment, or administrative penalty. Fourth, law is created by authorized institutions, such as parliament, government body, or church. Finally, the main purpose of law is to maintain social order and harmony. For example, when a drive runs a red traffic light and receive a ticket, so the law is mandatory and enforceable. C. Purpose of law. The main purpose of law is justice, legal, certainty, and usefulness. Justice ensures fairness for everyone. Legal certainty provides clear and predictable rules. Usefulness ensures the law benefits society as a whole. Thus, three purposes must be balanced. Law that focus only on certainty may become regret, while law that focus only on justice might become inconsistent. And definition of business law is a branch of law that regulates economy and commercial activity. It governs the relationship between business actors, consumer, employer, and the government. According to Munir, business law includes legal rules related to company establishment, contract, financial, transaction, and dispute resolution. Business law plays a crucial role in ensuring the business activity are conducted fairly legal and responsibility. It provides legal protection and certainty for all parties involved. Scope of business law. The scope of business law is very broad. It covers company formation, business contract, buying and selling, distribution of goods, labor relationship, taxation, consumer protect, and intellectual property rights, such as trademark and patent. In reality, every business activity involves business law, either direct or indirect. Therefore, understanding business law is essential for anyone involved in the business world. Principle of business law. Business law is based on several important principles such as justice, legal certainty, good faith, and freedom contract. The principle of good faith requires parties to act honest and fairly. Freedom of contract allows parties to make agreements as long as they do not involve the law. These principles have created trust and stability in business relationships. Sort of business law. The sort of business law include legislation, contract, business custom, codification, and legal doctrines. Legislation is the primary sort, while contract serves as binding agreement between parties. Codification and expert opinion help interpret and apply the law in real cases. Example is business law in daily life. Business law can be seen in everyday activity. For example, when buying product online, customer protect law applies. When companies sign cooperation agreement, contract law applies. Employment law regulates relationship between employer and employees. In accounting, business law is reflected in financial report, tax compliance, and ethical responsibility. Manipulating financial data is not only unethical but also illegal. In conclusion, law and business law play a vital role in regulation social and economic life. For accounting students, understanding business law is an important foundation for professional practice. By understanding legal principles, we can make responsible decisions, avoid legal risks, and supervise and stable business practice. And thank you for everyone. In this learning video, I hope the material is useful and help you to better understanding the importance of law and business law. See you, bye.